Hey guys, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is much more special because it is dedicated to completely for BA LLB as well as for BBA LLB students who are preparing for the Christ University interview. And why it is much more special for me because I strongly feel that me being the senior from the same law school, it is my hardcore responsibility of helping my juniors out. As such, I'm making out all this video to make sure that you get benefited out. Guys, I've also uploaded video on campus-based interview questions and Christ University interview-based questions and much more videos. So I've put up those links in the description box. Do give a watch. It can help you a lot with your preparation. So this video is going to be completely focused on 20 important current affairs questions which you're supposed to know while preparing for your interview perspective, which you can normally expect from an interviewer. So guys, if you have any doubt, kindly be free to get in touch with me. My Insta ID is pawan.ss. And my email ID is pavanss102@gmail.com. So if you're finding block in your interview preparation at any stage, I'm there to help you out. So you can trust me as a brother and then get in touch with me. Even I'm conducting mock interviews. Even if you want a mock interview with me, I would be glad to help you out. So as being said that, now let's get started with today's video. Guys, now let's discuss on to the first set of 10 important law related GK questions which you're supposed to know along with your preparation. The first question is, who is the present Chief Justice of India? And the answer is N.V. Ramana. Second question is, how many judges are there in the Supreme Court? So there are how many judges in the Supreme Court? There are 30 judges in the Supreme Court. The third question is, the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court is Justice Abhay Srinivas Oka. See guys, if you're from Karnataka and if you're applying for the main campus, it's important that you know the important minister's name as well as the Chief Justice of Karnataka's name. So make sure that you even have a solid background preparation along with that. And if your students applying for the main campus, it's important that you know few ministers of Karnataka. As such, it can help you a lot with your preparation. The next important question is, the first law minister of India is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fifth question is, the Minister of Law and Justice in India is Ravi Shankar Prasad. And the sixth question is, the Minister of Law in Karnataka is Basavaraj Bomme. Seventh question is about the Governor of Karnataka is Vajubhai Wala. Eighth question is, the Mayor of Bangalore is M. Gautam Kumar. Ninth question is, the National Security Advisor of India is Ajit Doval. And the 10th important question is, the Defense Minister of India is Rajnath Singh. So guys, this covers the 10 set of important questions which you're supposed to learn it out. Guys, before moving on to the 11th question, I have a small request. Kindly be well prepared with all the important union and state ministers' name because it can help you a lot with your preparation. There is a probability where the interviewers can ask you the questions on the minister's name. So make sure that you be well prepared. So now let's focus on to the 11th question, that is about the Finance Minister of India, that is Nirmala Sitharaman. Present Health Minister, that is Dr. Harshvardhan. 13th question is about the present Health Minister of Karnataka, that is K. Sudhakar. 14th question is about the Lok Sabha Speaker, that is Om Birla, and Rajya Sabha Speaker is Venkaiah Naidu. Our 15th question is, how many members are there in Lok Sabha presently? So guys, we have presently 545 members in our Lok Sabha, and in our Rajya Sabha we have 245 members. And the present RBI Governor. Guys, 17th question is very important because most of the interviews which I have seen is that they are particularly asking this particular question. RBI Governor is Shaktikant Das, and before Shaktikant Das it was Urjit Patel. And the 18th question is Attorney General of India, that is K.K. Venugopal. 19th question is the Solicitor General of India, that is Tushar Mehta. And the next is one of the most important questions, Additional Advocate General of Karnataka, that is Aruna Shyam. So guys, kindly be well prepared with all these set of 20 important questions. There is probability in which they can ask these questions. See guys, I'm presenting this because after taking a normal feedback from many students in which I came to conclusion that they are also asking on these GK questions. That's the reason I'm making this particular video. So that's the reason I've presented out all the important 20 questions. Kindly have a constant glance and preparation on these questions. So guys, that's all for today's video. So if you do like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe. Guys, for your preparation, just believe yourself and do well. It's possible, nothing is impossible. So do your level best. And if you want any doubts, get in touch with me. So goodbye, see you for the next video.